beautiful day in the neighborhood. A beautiful day for your neighbor. Would you be mine? Would you be mine? I feel sorry for all the neighbors in my neighborhood. There's no place that you could walk or drive, and that is just not good. Okay, let's start walking down the middle of the mother freaking street. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. A beautiful day for your neighbor. Would you be mine? This is the middle of the street, guys. I don't know why Mother Nature is doing this in my hood, but I wish that it was a little better than good. Alright, I had enough, but really though, look at this shit, B. This shit is crazy. This is the fucking street. Do you see my feet? Do you see that truck? He's not going anywhere. Well, he can go at 4x4, but for real, this shit is crazy, B. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. A beautiful day for your neighbor. Would you be mine?